for the first time when I was 28 years old. When I had children, my children were going to know who their father was.
Yeah.
Chris Gardner was doing his best.
We don't need two.
We don't need one.
Wait!
Wasn't enough.
Man, I got two questions for you. What do you do, and how do you do it?
I'm a stockbroker.
Stockbroker. Oh. Hey, I'm gonna let you hang on to my car for the weekend, but I need it back for Monday.
Feed the meter.
I need the rent. I can't wait anymore. I need you out of here in the morning.
Let me see if I can find you an application for our internship.
Did Mom leave because of me?
Mom, I'm aware of that. My circumstances have changed some.
Dad, where are we going?
I don't know. Last year, we had an intern score on 90% on the written exam. He wasn't chosen. It's not a simple pass-fail.
You're not quitting on us yet, are you?
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. All right?
All right.
Jay says you're pretty determined.
Where are you going? Go to the hospital! I'm in a competitive internship at Dean Witter.
He said you're smart.
This thing's impossible.
I can do it.
No, you can't. No one can.
You got a dream, you got to protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.
Just now you saw Howell Smith struggled with homelessness, raising a toddler son as a single father, and was praying for luck every day, but luck was always eluding him. Then he realized the need to pursue luck, not pray for that. He was a salesman, selling med equipment, did many odd jobs, asked a total stranger, how does he make money? Then he wrote a stockbroker exam and became a stockbroker with a lot of hustle and bustle. Last 3 episodes we saw the pendulum swinging tantalizingly between luck and hard work for success. Someone wanted to stop at hard work. Some others wished the pendulum to stop at luck. Pendulum answered many prayers and stopped at luck mark. So, the balance was tilted towards luck, and we are seeing the needle of success is pointing towards luck. In fact, luck is not anathema or anything to be hated. Luck is not the opposite of skill or hard work. Majority is craving for luck. It's only complementary. But how to get lucky is the next question. Will it fall from the tree? Should you pray for luck? Praying is simple, passive, submissive, act of waiting for Lady Luck to knock your door. Or should you pursue for luck? Is the major question now. Pursuing generally refers to the act of actively seeking and striving to achieve something, often a goal or objective. So, pursuing involves action and performance. You know, performing hands are holier than praying lips.
So, luck will not fall on your lap, but you need to pursue it. Anything to be pursued in life calls for hard work, efforts, aims, and actions. Even Lady Luck will smile at you only when you are prepared to do what it takes. Will Smith performed Rubik's Cube that got him a break. Or it could be anything to open the door to luck. It means you remain as ever prepared. So it's clear, you only need to pursue the luck. Here are the 8 tips to pursue the luck.
Tip 1. Understand the landscape of luck. Luck is a large canvas, or a carpet, enveloping the globe, with landmine-like networks, opportunities, sprinkled and sprayed, all over. Only when you step on that, you get a new neural pathway to pursue your success or luck and ready to jump this way or that as events unfold. But your stepping on the luck mine is an activity, keep shuffling your feet, covering nook and corner. Simply put, you should be highly sensitive and aware about what is happening around you. Tip 2. SWOT. Once you are drawn to luck mine, go through the haze and fog, look for your niche by doing SWOT analysis. Pick up that area where you have confidence and expertise. You can increase your surface area for good luck by looking out like the forager, a person who searches widely for food or provisions, who explores around, will find lots, and is also more likely to stumble across a bountiful berry patch than the person who stays at home.
Tip 3. Don't be alone. Don't think you are highly qualified and on the top echelon, so it's only for others to approach you. Never sit on the closed cabin. Avoid screening yourself into a category: I am the director, I am a data scientist, I am a secretary. You never know which direction your lucky breaks come from. You will only be plodding on the desk and files. But if you are a loner or hermit, nothing happens.
Tip 4. Network. Your chances of getting the break is improved in direct proportion to the number of people you know. The whole chain of events will be triggered to get you closer to success. If you are not in the network, nobody is ever going to steer anything your way. You need to deliberately volunteer for more contact occasions. The idea here is to be where things are happening and surround yourself with a lot of people and interactions. Tip 5. Build rapport. The lucky personality gets to know everybody in sight, the rich and the poor, the famous, the humble, the sociable, and even the cranky. Quickly build rapport. You do not know who will be helpful at appropriate time. Whomsoever you met on your climbing may support on your descending. Tip 6. Go to happening place. Lucky people position their lives in specific places. They tend to locate themselves in the path of onrushing luck. They tend to go where events are moving fast and where they can find their lucky break. In short, they will be in the happening place. Participate actively and move with life and not against it.
Tip 7. Seek out small risks. Statistically, it's proven, if you feel good luck has been avoiding you, it may be you are too little risk taker. If you insist on waiting for risk-free situations, you are probably doomed to wait. And wait. To get the attention of Lady Luck, she favors them who take moderate risks instead of tied down to routine. Tip 8. Recharge your luck. Soon luck will run out of the battery. You cannot be complacent once Lady Luck smiled on you that she will favor you forever. We cannot control the luck, good or bad. Lady Luck also may not like to be controlled. She wants freedom. Luck has an expiry time. You should keep on coaxing her in the form of constant search and exploring opportunities. So, only by controlling and channeling our efforts, we can prepare to pursue the luck. Lady Luck smiles on you, testing your capability to win her hands from time to time. And when it does, make the most of it. Now tell me, who said hard work doesn't matter? Hard work often plays a more important role as time goes on. But hard work is generally misunderstood as a typical career plotter. After finishing education, joins a company, comes to work promptly, carries out the work given, and goes home promptly. 35 years later collects a gold pen, shawl, retires never to be seen again. These are the things nice to have, but aimless plodding is not hard work. The 3 videos of long debate between luck and hard work is coming to a close. Luck cannot be simply prayed. It needs to be pursued. The very essence of pursuing involves 8 steps of hard work. Which means the pendulum is correcting its course, and swinging towards hard work. When you, or even any advocates of luck, are willing to discover things for themselves, they will properly understand why luck needs to be pursued and not to be prayed. Then incredible things will show up. The winner is, obviously, hard work. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon. In next episode we will meet with another interesting controversial topic. Thank you for watching.